The link sent to you in email is a public URL link that you can send to persons responsible for the brand card maintenance. Via this link, you can adjust, change, or update any information at any time. In order to edit information, you have to follow the URL link each time. We therefore recommend saving this link in your browser bookmark section. Access to the brand card maintenance webpage does not automatically provide access to the ITB Berlin NOW platform. A valid registration via the platform is still necessary. If you have booked the all-in destination package, co-exhibitors will receive their link directly via email. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory and must be filled in before saving with the function Save Profile Data at the bottom. The data will be saved and updated immediately in your brand card on ITB Berlin NOW. Please remember to cache your data in between. If information is entered successfully, the field will appear green with a check mark. A click on Continue will take you directly to the next section. After editing information, no preview is available. In order to see the changes in your brand card, you have to have access to the ITB Berlin NOW platform with your registered email address. Now, let's move on to how you can edit the data. Name. The exhibitor name you entered during registration appears here. You may change it if necessary. The name which you enter here is your official exhibitor name with which you present your brand on ITB Berlin NOW. A change of the company name has no impact on your billing address. Logo. The logo appears in your brand card in the show floor, in tile and list view, as well as in your brand card detail page. Please make sure to use the right format and note this information. Background. The background picture uploaded here will be displayed in the show floor tile view for Plus and All-In brand cards. In the detail page of all brand cards, this is displayed at the very top. Please make sure to use the right format and note this information. Address. The address you entered during registration appears here. A change of the address here has no impact on your billing address. Contact. Here you can add additional contact data of your company. Social media. Add your social media profiles to inform visitors about your channels. The different social media channels appear as logo in your brand card detail page, including direct link to the web pages. Categories. Show visitors what your product portfolio entails and where you operate. A well-maintained category overview gives visitors a first indication on what you as a company offer overall. A drop-down menu offers you the possibility to select from various predefined terms in the sections Topics and Destinations. Use the search function if you search for specific items instead of scrolling through them all. Description. The description is your first attempt to inform visitors about your company in more detail. This description will appear in your brand card detail page. The short description is a first glance of the information which a visitor sees before delving deeper into your brand card detail page. This short description appears on your brand card in the show floor tile view for Plus and All-In packages. The following two boxes can be edited by you, but don't have to, as they are not displayed in your brand card. Additional information. Inform the visitor about your founding year, number of employees, and the industry your company operates in. Keywords. Keywords are an essential tool in order to increase your chance to be found in the show floor via the search function. The search function entails every word that appears somewhere in the entire ITB Berlin NOW platform. Words that are not mentioned in any other section in your brand card can be added here, so when visitors actively search for a word you edited here, your brand card will be proposed in the search results. These keywords will not be displayed in your brand card. Link. Add additional website links here, for example, the homepage of your company and services. Product. The product section is a great way to inform visitors about offers of your portfolio. You can edit the name of the product, add an image, categories, description, keywords, and upload marketing material such as videos, photos, or documents. Please note that the number of displayed products is limited to 3 for the starter package and 10 for Plus package. They are unlimited for the all-in package. We recommend not to edit more products than are included in your booked package, as they will not appear in your brand card. Trademarks. Trademarks are an additional option to present your brands of your company's portfolio. You can edit the name of the trademark and further information. Please note that the number of displayed trademarks is limited to 3 for the starter package and 10 for Plus package. They are unlimited for the all-in package. We recommend not to edit more trademarks than are included in your book package, as they will not appear in your brand card. Multimedia. Provide additional media like videos, photos, or documents you want to share with visitors here. Uploaded documents are available for download to all visitors. Please note this information.